The phone that could change the industry. We got a name for the phone, the release date, and some rumored specs. So let's go and get right into this. So the rumored name of this phone is going to be called the OnePlus Open. Okay, listen, I'm not going to judge it. That's an interesting name. Definitely not what I expected it to be called. But to be honest, I mean, with every other affordable phone, I think everyone expected this to be like the OnePlus Fold. But OnePlus Open, which again, listen, it opens up. It's a, different type of name, but it is what it is. It's also going to be coming out on August 29th. So the end of August is when they're going to have a event in New York, and this event will unveil this bad boy. Now, of course, the reason why this is so exciting is because it's not a Chinese phone. This is going to be released in the United States, which means it's going to put itself as the third competitor in the affordable phone market. We got Samsung, Google, and now OnePlus. So this actually should have a fighting chance. Not only that, it's also going to come in a price tag of anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500. Most recent rumors are $1,500 because it's in that a little bit in that sweet spot of under $1,800, but still not, like $1,200, which would be the most favorable spot. So around $1,500. And the most recent rumors are it's going to be coming out with a 7.8-inch inside display, which beats out Samsung, a 6.3-inch outer display, 120 Hz across the board, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. That's the real kicker here, because a lot of people, and myself included, was hearing leaks that it's going to come out with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor for the last couple months. So I was like, okay, well, so this phone's going to come out. It's going to be a lot cheaper than Samsung's, but it's not going to be as powerful as Samsung. And that's what really you're going to be, saving the money on, is getting a last gen processor. It's going to be the same power as a Google Pixel Fold. That's not the case. This thing is going to come out and be just as powerful as Samsung's phone is. The problem is, of course, it's probably not going to have waterproofness or wireless charging. But other than that, it's going to be very similar to Samsung's phone in the aspect of everything on paper being the same, right? Power-wise, processor-wise, 120 Hz across the board-wise. Obviously, bezels, we'll have to wait and see what ends up happening there. But it's really going to be a big competitor for Samsung here and Google, because you have a beautiful inside display, a beautiful outside display. You have a 48 megapixel main camera and an ultra wide camera and a 64 megapixel telephoto lens. So you have a huge battery, beautiful cameras. I'll be honest, Samsung and Google is definitely going to have themselves some competition here. It's kind of what I expected from Microsoft to come out with all this stuff and kind of really take control. They didn't do it. So now it's Google's time. It's OnePlus's time to shine. And I can't wait to see how this phone ends up looking, because, to be honest, Google didn't fumble with the bag, but Google definitely did not perfect it. OnePlus, it's your chance. The ball's in your court. Please do not fumble with the bag. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.